Today we're going to look at a pentatonic drill. This will help you to establish where the pentatonic scale is over the neck. We're going to use a major pentatonic scale. We're going to play it over 2 octaves first. This is the scale. Okay, slowly. First of all, just pause the video and make sure that you can play that scale slowly and you know where the notes are. The drill just uses the notes from that 2 octave A major pentatonic scale. We just skip a note each time though, like this. Play the A and skip a note, skip the B and play the C sharp. This is why you need to know the scale really well. Right, I've practiced this a lot, so you're going to take that really slow at first. Once you get the pattern under your fingers, especially if you have that scale shape already under your fingers, then it gets easier. It's just about really following a pattern. So I'm kind of seeing all the notes from that scale over the fretboard and linking them up. You now work on this drill slowly. It will really help you to learn where the notes of the pentatonic scale are over the fretboard. We cover quite a lot. We go from the 5th fret of the E string right up to the 14th fret of the G string. So it's a very useful exercise. If you enjoyed this video, you'll also love my Pure Pentatonics bass course. Inside the course, you'll get a complete pentatonic roadmap where you can turn these simple scales into riffs, licks and fills that sound great and fit any style. Click the link below this video in the description to see the Pure Pentatonics course page to find out all the information and how to sign up. One of the course students, Scott, said this is excellent. There are interesting concepts here that would definitely help any bass player. Come and join Scott and all the other students inside Pure Pentatonics and start improving your bass playing today.